Tinnitus relief, how addressing hearing loss can help. Tinnitus, often described as a ringing in the ears, can be closely linked to hearing loss. Addressing hearing loss through the use of hearing aids or other devices can significantly reduce the perception of tinnitus. When the brain no longer struggles to hear missing sounds due to hearing loss, it is less likely to amplify the internal noise associated with tinnitus. Many modern hearing aids come with built-in tinnitus masking features, which provide soothing sounds to diminish the effects of tinnitus. By improving overall hearing, these devices help restore balance to the auditory system, offering relief for those dealing with both hearing loss and tinnitus. Hit the comment box, relief from tinnitus.